Do you want to make money in the Forex or crypto markets without the pressure of becoming a trading expert? AkashX's is a trading academy and community where you can earn while you learn and make money, anytime, anywhere. Become part of a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about trading and traveling. Share strategies, learn from each other's experiences, and grow together. Copy winning trades with our cutting-edge smart trade alert technology to automatically copy successful trades from top traders. This state-of-the-art feature allows you to replicate the trading decisions of experts, ensuring you benefit from their experience and expertise. Gain access to powerful scanners and built-in trading tools designed to help you identify the best trading opportunities in real time. Our advanced technology provides you with up-to-the-minute data and analytics, enabling you to make informed decisions quickly. Get hands-on experience with our comprehensive learning academy in over 18+ languages, featuring live trading sessions led by industry experts. Our experts are dedicated to helping you understand the market dynamics and refine your trading skills in real time. Tune into daily live sessions and learn directly from educators, ask questions, and follow proven strategies. Take advantage of these exclusive features with an AkashX trade membership or live life on your own terms and see the world while you trade with our trade and travel membership. Imagine being able to trade while enjoying a sunrise beach walk in Bali. Or trade the markets from your phone while lounging by the pool. Or jump on a live trading session from a rooftop cafe in Paris. Step into the world of effortless money making from your phone with our trade membership, designed for those looking to profit without the hassle of becoming a trading expert. For just $149 a month, you'll gain exclusive access to a comprehensive suite of resources designed to help you trade and make money in the markets. Our tools and technology simplify the trading process, allowing you to effortlessly copy expert trades and receive real-time alerts, ensuring you can profit even if you don't have the time or desire to become a master trader. You have the opportunity to get your membership for free when you trade with your friends. Refer 3 of your friends to AkashX and your trade membership is free. With our trade and travel membership, you can get all the benefits of being in a trade community plus exclusive travel perks. For only $229 a month, you will receive access to all the benefits of our trade membership plus Dream Trips curated experiences, travel portal system, 24/7 concierge service, VIP airport lounge access, and more. A perfect membership for those who crave both financial success and a lifestyle of exploration. At AkashX, we don't trade time for money, we trade money for more time. Are you ready to take back your time and live the life you always dreamed of? Get started today with AkashX.